Hello everyone, welcome to IPTV Gold. Today, we delve into the thrilling realm of IPTV services, highlighting a premier provider that has been stirring the industry, IPTV Provider 8K.com. Perfect for newcomers or those considering a switch, you've found the ideal spot. Without further ado, let's explore how to maximize your IPTV experience. Setting up your IPTV with Smart IPTV. Upon launching the Smart IPTV app, you will encounter terms and conditions that guarantee a secure and pleasurable viewing experience. Here's the kickoff. Choose your login method. Opt for a playlist or input extreme codes. Consider the playlist as a comprehensive guide to your content, whereas extreme codes act as exclusive passkeys to special channels. Login or sign up. Existing customers of an IPTV service should enter their credentials. New users can find the sign up option and follow the prompts on the screen to create an account. You will need to provide your email, a desired username, and a password. Entering your playlist URL. Acquire the playlist URL from your IPTV service. Though it may appear complex, this URL is the key to accessing a vast array of channels. Enter this URL, click Add, and observe as your channel list is generated. Using extreme codes. Should you choose to use extreme codes, enter the unique code given by your IPTV service. Press Add to access a new range of channels, each with its own unique content waiting to be discovered. Why opt for IPTV Provider 8K.com? IPTV Provider 8K.com distinguishes itself with its remarkable services, comprehensive channel library, boasting over 26,000 channels, encompassing sports, news, and top-tier entertainment in 4K UHD resolution, extensive VOD collection, over 100,000 movies and TV series available, ensuring endless viewing options, cross-device viewing, compatible with a wide range of devices, including smart TVs, Firestick, iOS, Android, and others, cost-effective subscriptions. Prices start at a mere $7.99 monthly, with up to 50% savings on long-term plans. Subscription options. A concise overview of the subscription plans offered. 1 month, $7.99. 3 months, $18.99, 25% discount. 6 months, $32.99, 38% discount. 12 months, $48.99, 50% discount. All plans come with 4K Ultra HD quality, anti-freeze technology, and multi-device and format support. Selecting an appropriate IPTV provider is key to a smooth and pleasurable viewing experience. IPTV Provider 8K.com provides a strong platform with an extensive range of content and adaptable viewing choices to cater to any taste. Explore their services in our video description below and make sure to take advantage of your free trial. Thank you for watching IPTV Gold. If this video was useful, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. Take care and happy streaming.